A new SolidWorks, we choose new, then we choose a 3D representation of a single design component by clicking OK. After that, we choose the front plane, choose view orientation and normal tool to make it straight like this. To draw a drawing on the plane, we choose any shape that you want to draw on the plane, then click OK. To fix the dimension, we choose Smart Dimension. Do like this to fix dimension for the height. And do it again to fix the dimension for the length. Then click the right button. We also can do a text on the drawing by choosing text. We can change the font by untick the use document font, then choose font. To change the style of the font, choose the font that you want. And for the size, choose font, choose the size that you want. And the style, you can choose either strikeout or underline. Then click OK. Then type anything that you want. Then click the right button. Double click on the text and do like this to move the text. After moving it to the position that you want, click the right button. To do trim, we draw a line or any shape that will have an intersection with other lines. For an example, I am using the line. I am drawing the line. The right button. Then to trim, we choose trim. Choose trim to closer. Then click on the line that you want to trim. Then click the right button. Okay, to do the offset, we select the object, then we choose offset. Choose the distance that you want. And it will become like this. Same shape with the same distance. We will do it over and over again. Depend on the total of the circle that you want to do. Then for the mirror entities, we choose mirror. Then we choose the object. Choose mirror about. Choose a line as a point of reflection. Then click the right button. We have a new circle with the same degree.
Now we have this drawing. By clicking view orientation, we may see its top, its isometric, its trimetric, its left, its front, right, back, also bottom. To back to the normal, we choose front plane and we click normal to icon. To edit its appearance, we click this icon, and for example, we want to edit its color. We click this and we choose the color that we want to. So now I choose this color and we click right button. Alright. So now I want to change its metal. We have steel, chromium, aluminium, bronze, brass, and so on. So I want to change it into chromium. And I choose chromium plate. And we click the right button. So this is the result. You can see the chromium plate here. It's look very shiny. Okay, this is Feature Manager Design 3. Every single part we draw here gonna be listed on this tree. The best drawing is the shorter tree. This is the Properties Manager, while this is Configuration Manager, and this is Theme Expert Manager, and this is Display Manager. So we also have zoom to fit icon, zoom to area icon, previous icon, section view, hide or show items, apply scene, and view settings.
Today, I'm going to teach you all how to extrude a boss of a base. Firstly, choose any shape that you like a triangle. Then go to features, extrude. You can choose the length that you want or determine it over here. Like what I chose 40. You can also extrude from the other direction, which means by direction 2. Like set the direction. That's it. It's done. You get a 3D model. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use extrude cut. This is a model I draw before this. Firstly, we draw a rectangle on the model that we draw. Then we click on the extrude cut. You can choose order of blind, through all, up to next, or the others. I choose through all. Then you will get a result like this. Now I'm going to show you how to use whole wizard. This is the circle model that I draw before this. You click on the whole wizard. You can choose many type of hole type. This one, this one, this one, the comfortable. And you can choose a standard that you want. Go NSI and many else. Then we click on the model to decide the position that we want to make a whole wizard. Like this. get a hole inside the circle model. Now I'm going to show you how to use revolve boss and base. Firstly, we sketch a center line to indicate the axis. Then we make a curve. Like example, we make the shape of an apple. Then we click on revolve and boss and base. Then we get a model like this. That's all. Now I'm going to show you how to use revolve cut. This is the boss that I draw before this. To draw a revolve cut, first you sketch any shape that you want and the model that we draw. Then we click revolve cut and click the axis. Then you will get a result like this. Now I'm going to show you how to work on swept boss and base. Firstly, sketch a arc and choose the radius you want, the angle, reactive. Then we have to create new plane of one of the point. Then you can see like this. After that, we create a circle on the new plane that we create. And choose the radius of the circle that you want. After do this, we add the relation with the circle and the arc. After done this, axis sketch and we go to swept boss and base. Then what you can see is like this. It's done, and we create a swept boss and base.
And for the chamfer, we just click on the chamfer button and choose the edge that we want to chamfer it. I will click this the edge and the front side and put the distance of fillet. And we also can change the angle. So I take 30 degree or any one. Okay. Okay. And chamfer form at the box. Okay, for the last week I'm going to do a draft. Okay. First we must have two different surfaces and click on the draft and first choose the first surface and the surface that we want to draft it. Then change the degree to 1. Okay, click apply. and you can see the graph has formed. Okay, for the first step, I'm going to do the fillet. Just click on the button, fillet, and you can choose. I will choose the first constant radius, choose the X that we want, like this, and I will take this. Okay, you can set the radius of the fillet and click right, and you can see the fillet has formed. Now I'm gonna do the rib. First I must sketch a line between this box, and it must have an angle between this. You can put the angle in this. Now I will take 120 degrees. Okay, and now you can make a rib between the sides. Click on the picture, click rib. Okay, now it is a both side, and if I click this, it will have the rib only on the side, and for this, for the right side. Now I'm gonna make the both sides. Just put the thickness you want and click OK. Now rib has formed. Okay, for the second step, I'm going to do the shell. This you can look, the box can fill with the shell like a hole. Just click on the shell, select the surface that we want, and you can put the parameters, the outward here. This is the inward, and you can see if I click this, the shell will extend to outward. So first I'm going to do this, and click. You can look, it's a form in the box. And now first I'm going to write text on this surface. First you must put a center line, and then put a text on this line. I will show an example. And to choose the font, click this button and change the size of the text. Okay, click right, but for to make it the text look more longer, click on the line and click right to the infinite length and click on this, and you can create the wrap by clicking wrap button and select the step that you have done it. Okay, then this is back and the surface. You can see the step has pushed into the surface of the material. For the emboss, if the text looks more thicker, and I will show it to you. We'll choose the thickness, then click right, and you can see that have formed. And now I'm going to make the same text but a different wrap. Click right, and then you can see the okay. Now the text are at the bottom, and you must click the last step, which is text 5, and select the wrap parameters to the keyboard, and choose the parameter and change it to the smaller. Okay, click right and select OK, and it is done.
So I'm gonna teach you guys how to use dome. So first, you guys have to draw any object that you like. So I just draw a rectangle. So okay, now I select dome. So first you need to select the plane that you like to have the dome. So I select this plane and this plane. That means we have two planes that will have the dome shape. There we go. As you can see, that was the dome. So on the left corner, on the left side, there's a distance, how long you want the dome shape to be. So just now we got 50, so now I put it 10. There we go, it becomes smaller. And if I want to make it bigger, just insert like 20, 30. Here we go. So that's for the dome. Okay, and clicks. There you go, you can see the dome shape is there. Okay, next. So next is reference geometry. So reference geometry consists of plane, axis, coordinate system, and point. The first one is plane. So I click on this plane and this object. Let's say I want this face of the object. I click this on this face. As you can see, the blue color one is the new plane that it will be created. So on the left side, you can see there's a few options like parallel, perpendicular, and coincidence. So it means that if you want to create a parallel new plane to the face of the object, just click this one, plane and perpendicular, of course, like this one. As you can see, it's perpendicular and also parallel. So so as you can see here, the message is fully defined. Means it will be perfectly normal to create. So just click right there, you can see there's a new plane created and it is named as plane 1. It's not plane front plane or top plane or right plane, is plane 1 there, as you can see. So next one is axis. Axis is used to create a new axis on the object. So there's a few options here, like one line's edge or axis, two planes, 2 point. So I'm gonna start with one line. So I click on the one line options. So I just click on any line or any edge of the objects, like this one, like this. So when I click, just okay. There we go. You can see it's named as axis 1. So if so another one is okay. This two plane. Two plane means that a new axis will be created between two plane. Like so, this is the first plane and this is the second plane. So automatically, there is the new plane between this line. As you can see, it's known as axis 2. So next I'm gonna go with coordinate system. Coordinate system is used to create a coordinate based on the object. So the first one, okay. So as you can see here, it's called x-axis. So we click on the x-axis and we select the plane that we want it to be, the x-axis. So let's say I click on this plane, and y-axis this plane, and the last one is z-axis and the bottom plane. So once I click, it's already selected, and I just click the OK. So you can see that coordinate system 1, it shows that z-axis is showing to the upwards and x and y over there. There we go. You can see that clearly. It is defined a new axis to our object. So the last one is point. Point is actually very simple. Okay, so point is used to create arc center of face, point of intersections. So first, of course, if arc center, we need to create a circle. So this one is a rectangle, so I use center of face. I click center of the face, and wait, okay, this is the object. Okay, let's say for this face, I click on the face. There you can see this small purple button indicate it is the center of the face. So once I click the OK, there we can go. There you go. It shows point 1. It is the center of the face. So it is quite easily when you guys want to draw anything, just select this reference geometry and then point, select center of the face. Is automatically guide you guys to see the center of the face. It is quite simple. So I'm gonna go with the next one. So the last option for point is intersection. Intersection means the intersection point between lines. So if I want to use this, first I need to create a line first. Okay, wait, sketch a line. Okay, this line, and here. Okay, as you can see, this show is the point of intersection. To have a clear look, so we just use this one point and select intersection and just click on the line. You can see this line and this line. Okay, there we go. Line 1 at sketch 2, line 3 at sketch 2. So the purple dot indicates the point, the center or the intersections of the point. So I click OK. This one, there we go. It indicates point 1, which is the point of intersections. So that's all.